morning, class. My name is Rasheidah Brown, and welcome to third grade elementary math. Now, this month we're in Chapter 4, and in Chapter 4 we're talking about algebraic thinking, but today we will be learning about variables. Now, according to the Michigan Department of Education, grade level content expectations, third grade pupils should know variables. So today I'm going to teach you about variables. All right? Now, I've written a little short definition of variables. And what I've written is variables represent the unknown number and sometimes can change a number's value. Okay? So today's warm-up we're going to find x. Now remember, x represents the unknown number. Okay? Today, how we're going to do this, we're going to, whatever the rule is, whether it's addition, subtraction, multiplying, or dividing, we're going to change it, okay? And we're going to do the opposite, and that's how we're going to find our answer. So let's try number 1. X plus 10 equals 19. So if x plus 10 equals 19, we're going to do the opposite. What would be the opposite of addition? That's right, Joe. Subtraction. So what numbers will we use? Because we know there's a 19 here and there's a 10 there. And we're trying to find what x is, right? Okay, let's try it. So we have 19 minus 10 equals, that's right, 9. So if 19 minus 10 equals 9, then x plus 10 equals 19. How can we balance this? What is x? Okay, x equals 9. That is correct. Okay, so you see how we did it? Okay. So we just took the same two numbers here and we flipped it and we plugged it in, right? Okay, let's try number 2. Number 2, x plus 8 equals 15. So who remembers the rule? Okay, Nancy. Yeah, subtraction. So what two numbers are we working with? Right, the only two numbers we see. So they are 15 and the rule is what? Subtraction, that's right. 8, equals, okay, yep, 7. So, how do we check it? We got the same two numbers, So, x equals what? X equals 7, that is correct. So, if you can plug it in and flip it back and that's how you check your answer, yeah, okay. Yeah, that's how that works. All right, let's try number 3. X plus 6 equals 11. So, what is the rule? The opposite, right. Okay, so we're using the two numbers here, 11 and 6. All right, let's try it. 11 minus 6 equals, okay, Toya. No, not 12, but what? Okay, just try it again. That's right, 5. So if 11 minus 6 equals 5, how do we make our variable true? Because x plus 6 equals 11. So what would x be? Okay, you said 11 minus 6 equals 5. Yeah, just flip it around and you have 5 plus 6 equals 11. That's right. That's right. Okay, so it'll be 11, it's x equals 5. Okay. Sounds easy enough, huh? Okay, we're coming along. We'll try a couple more. Okay, we have x plus 4 equals 7. Okay. So, right, the rule is subtraction. And what are the two numbers? Okay, 7. So we have 7 minus 4. Okay. And what is that number? Yeah, this one you can pretty much do on your fingers because you have 10 fingers, right? Okay, yeah. And then one more, that's right. Okay, so what do you get? 7 minus 4 equals, 3. That's right. So to make it true, x plus 4 equals 7. So now we know what x is, right? Okay. All right, so x equals 3. Well, all right. Okay. All right. So let's try number 5. Okay. X plus 2 equals 3. Okay. So same rule. Yep. Subtraction. So if you want to, if you get a little confused, you can write your symbol first. So we'll write the subtraction first, right? Okay. So we'll plug in our two numbers. 3 minus 2. Okay. Yeah, that one's real easy. Okay, equals 1. So if 3 minus 2 equals 1, then x plus 2 equals 3. What is x? Okay, x equals 1. Okay, yeah, because I want you to get it. So that's why they're easy, because you need to understand each step, and as you understand what variables are and how to find x in the different letters, then it'll get a little bit intense. Okay? All right. Okay, so what we're going to do, we went over the variables, so we're going to go into our books and we're going to go ahead and we're going to do our unit test. Okay, the unit review, and next week we'll be starting on equations. So you really have to know your variables, because if you don't know your variables, you're not going to be able to transition into equations. Okay? Well, okay, well that's all I have. All right, thank you.